What's going on, guys? Welcome to this video. Amazon accounting and bookkeeping 2023 for Amazon sellers, e-commerce sellers, eBay sellers, whatever you are, all under the same bow, all can be done in the same way. Let's go, let's dive into it. Okay, so when I started, let me tell you a little bit of the story. So when I started out on Amazon, all over the place. So, you know, when you start out, things like that, it's like, yeah, don't really need to worry about it. You don't need to worry about it for a few months, or what I thought. So I went in completely blinded. I thought I'll sort that out later and stuff like that. The business started doing well, thankfully, and we started creeping towards the VAT threshold, okay, which is £85,000. And £85,000 of sales in your bank account, okay? Sales on Amazon. And I thought that it was 85,000 I didn't realise that that's what it was. So I got some help from a local accountant who I was advised to, and I almost got into a lot of trouble because they told me that I only had to go VAT registered when the money that actually came out of Amazon, not the sales, the money that I'd actually made in the bank account, hit £85,000. So I assumed that I didn't have to worry about it, carried on with my day, posted in the Facebook saying how happy I was about that. And then a very successful seller said, no, that's not right. It's 85,000 on the Amazon seller account. So I was like, oh my God. So I went over the threshold, sorted it all out. It was fine. Nonetheless, I got rid of that old accountant. Okay, now I'm not going to name who they are, but be careful. Be careful with these local accountants. People are like, oh, I spend 30 quid a month on my accountant. I'm like, yeah, let's see. You know, if they're not an e-commerce specialist and stuff like that, I would be a little bit worried about them, okay? So here's what I do. Here's how I do my accounting. So I've got a business manager, virtual assistant, admin, VA, whatever you want to call them. And what they do is they go through all my receipts. Now, back in the day, they used to have to go through them all, get them arranged, put them in monthly folders, explain what they were to the accountant. Now what we do, we use a company called Awesome. And what Awesome do is that we upload all our invoices to Awesome, and then they literally just sort them out for us. So all my VA does, or all you would have to do if you were using them as well, get your invoices, go onto their software. It's a killer software. You go on there, upload all your receipts, or send them via email, all your receipts, and they literally do the rest. And it's a beautiful, beautiful setup. Life is a lot easier like that. And I wish I found them sooner. So if you want to check Awesome out, there's a 2-month free accounting period below. And what I also should have done when I started was not wait 6, 7, 8 months in before I started sorting out an accountant. Should have done it from the start. Because there was a 2-month free period that, well, I didn't get that, but you can get that with Awesome. But also, not only that, if you backdate your books like I did, I had to pay like over £1,000, £1,500 to actually backdate my books and update them because I didn't have a monthly accountant. So whether you get one or whether you don't, you can get mini packages of Awesome and stuff like that. If you're doing like less than 7k, it's like 50 quid a month or something. Go check it out anyway below. And that will actually save you money, because I had to spend a lot of money, £800, £1,000, can't remember what it was, maybe 1,500, I can't remember, actually backdating my books when I went. And it was a mess at the end of the year. I had the end of the year books, I had the VAT books and everything like that. Guys, don't get in my position. Go book a call, sort it out now so that you're not in that position that I was in. You don't get a dodgy accountant, for one. Dodgy accountant that doesn't understand e-commerce and VAT and stuff like that, and advises you the wrong stuff, which you can get, you're liable for, you can get fines for. And also, don't get to the stage where you have to pay an accountant thousands of pounds to backdate your books, or hundreds of pounds. It's just, and then it's a stress when it gets to VAT and you've got to go over everything. Just not good. Just not good. So anyway, yeah, that's how I do it. That's how we do it. It's a really, really simple, easy process. There's, you know, Awesome have got like this live chat on the software as well, where you can just message them anytime they reply within like 15, 20 minutes, sometimes. Crazy. And I've got the like personal number of one of my accountants, so I can message them anytime, have a phone call. So yeah, that's what I do. So I hope that video's helped. Let me know below if you contact them, and I will see you in the next video. My name's Hayden, FBA TV.